Hi, third graders. This is our last rhythm video for the year. If you're looking at this one first and you do the solfege one second, make sure you watch that solfege one because I say a little goodbye to you. Also, I want to say that if you haven't been considering band yet, just know that there's going to be news coming right around the corner for you. If you are interested in joining band for next year, I'd love to have each and every one of you. Okay. Now, because we have had so much craziness with missing school, I've had to be a little bit more quick with teaching you this last new rhythm. So today actually should be a few days in a row of practicing and getting to the point where you learn the new rhythm. But I have to kind of squish it all into one lesson. So this might be a little bit quick, but and a lot of detail, but just listen and replay this video a couple more times so you can get this new rhythm in your head. We know that it's 3 sounds over 2 beats. And so today we're going to talk about whether the 3 sounds are short or long or a combination of the both. And we're also going to learn the name of the new rhythm. And it's a really fun one of my favorite rhythms. So let's start with echoing some rhythms, and I'll go first. Ti ti ta, ticka ticka ta. Ta ti 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 ta. Ti ticka ticka ti 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 ta. 2 ticka ti ta. Good. Ti ticka ti ta. Good. Okay, so we know these rhythms, and let's review, because when we're trying to figure out the number of sounds on how many beats, it's going to help to know already how we identify the ones that we already know. We know ta, 1 sound over 1 beat, quarter note. We know TT, 2 sounds over 1 beat, 8th notes. We know rest, 1 silence over 1 beat, called a quarter rest. We know ticka ticka, 4 sounds over 1 beat, called 16th notes. We know 2, 1 sound over 2 beats, called a half note. Ti ticka, 3 sounds, and same with ticka ti, 3 sounds each over 1 beat, 8th note and 2 16th notes, or vice versa. And we are trying to find the new rhythm that is 3 sounds over 2 beats. 3 sounds over 2 beats. We're going to use dry bones. We're not going to do the whole song today because we want to make sure we understand, and takes plenty of time to explain what this new rhythm is. So we're going to first of all try to find out where the new rhythm is. So let's sing all the way through, and I'm going to point to the beats as we sing, and you're going to try to figure out as you sing. Go ahead and clap or pat, whichever helps you figure out the beats, the rhythms faster. Ready, go. Dry bones come skipping up the valley. Some of them bones are mine. Dry bones come skipping up the valley. Some of them bones are mine. Okay, I'm going to do it again. And maybe if you patted before, now you clap. If you clapped, now you pat, okay? See if you can figure out where that new rhythm is. 3 sounds over 2 beats. Ready, go. Dry bones come skipping up the valley. Some of them bones are mine. Dry bones come skipping up the valley. Some of them bones are mine. All right, so let's get started. What do you think we have? Dry bones come. There's a lot of words there. How many words did I say? Dry bones come. 3 words. Okay, so do we know any rhythms with 3 sounds? Oh yeah, we know ti ticka and ticka ti. Does it sound like a ti ticka and a ticka ti? I'll do ti ticka. Dry bones come. Let's try a ticka ti. Dry bones come. That doesn't sound right. Must be the new rhythm because it's over 2 beats. Listen. Dry bones come. Okay, so we're going to put 3 sounds with just 3 marks. All right, let's try skipping up the. What do you think that is? Skipping up the. 4 sounds, so it must be a ticka ticka. What about valley? 2 sounds. TT. Some of them. What rhythm is that? 3 sounds over 1 beat. Tickety. Good. Bones are. Bones are. 2 sounds. TT. Mine. Now, how many words did you hear there? 1 word. But the pitches changed. Mine. So it can't be a 2 because it has to be the same pitch. So it must be mine. Ta, ta. All right, did you get that one? Hopefully. Okay, next one. Dry bones come. Oh boy, what is it again? 2 beats just went by. Dry bones come. How many words did I sing? Dry bones come. 3 sounds over 2 beats. We must have the new rhythm. All right, there it is again. Skipping up the. Looks like the first line, doesn't it? Skipping up the valley. Ticka ticka tee tee. So we have ticka ticka tee tee again. I'm kind of giving you these a little bit quicker than normal. Some of them. What is that? Ticka tee. Bones are. TT. Mine. Ta. Rest. How'd you do? Pretty good? Okay, now we have to decide, is it what combination of long and short for our new rhythm? We have dry bones come. Let's listen carefully for shorts and longs. Dry bones come. Does it sound like long, long, short? Dry bones come. No. Does it sound like short, short, long? Dry bones come. No. Dry bones come. How about short, long, short? Short, long, short. That's the one. So we have a short, long, short combination. And we're going to sing this with short, long, short and ticka, ticka, TT. And then I'll explain what it is. Okay? Ready, let's clap. Short, long, short, ticka, ticka, tee, tee, ticka, tee, 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 ta, ta. Short, long, short, ticka, ticka, tee, tee, ticka, tee, 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 ta. Rest. Again, get that short, long in your head. Ready, go. Short, long, short, ticka, ticka, tee, tee, ticka, tee, 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 ta, ta. Short, long, short, ticka, ticka, tee, tee, ticka, tee, 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 ta. Rest. Okay, it's 2 beats long. It's short, long, short. There's 3 sounds over 2 beats. That means you have to have less than 1 beat for each sound. So, why is that? Because if you had 2 tas, then that's 2 beats, but you have to have 3 in 2 beats. That means that some of our rhythms are going to be short. Listen to this. Short, long, short. The short on the front and the short at the back is the same length. They're the same notes. Any guesses what kind of rhythm that would be? If you guessed 8th note, you are correct. So I'm going to write in an 8th note at the front and an 8th note at the back. Now, we know that 2 8th notes are the same as TT, and a TT is 1 beat. So we've got 1 beat, and now we only have 1 more note left, and it has to be 1 beat long. So what kind of note is 1 beat long? Must be ta. So our short, long, short is 1/8 note followed by a quarter note, followed by another 1/8 note. And we're going to put that down here too. So eighth note is a half, a quarter note is 1, and another eighth note is half again. A half plus a half is 1, a quarter note is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is our mystery rhythm, and we call it something interesting. There is, the word for this is called syncopa. Syncopa. Musicians use the word syncopation off and on. Syncopation is when you have rhythms that occur on an upbeat. So, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I go in between the beats, those are called upbeats, and that's called syncopation. So this rhythm, syncopa, is called that because the pa, or the ko, excuse me, and the pa are both on the upbeat. Syncopa, syncopa. And so we'll have more time to talk about that at the beginning of the year. But this is the way it sounds. Syncopa, ticka ticka tee tee, ticka tee 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 ta ta. Syncopa, ticka ticka tee tee, ticka tee 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 ta. Rest. And that, my friends, is the new rhythm. So it's a lot of information to take in. This is a longer video, I know. So go back and practice this a few times so that you can get syncopa in your head. When the school year comes around again, we will practice it a lot and make sure it's cemented. One of my favorite rhythms because it's so fun to say. All right, great job this year. Great job learning. I will miss you, and I sure look forward to seeing you. Have a great summer.